A bachelor's degree in elementary or middle grades education is a gateway to a rewarding career, changing lives not only as a teacher, but as a counselor, curriculum developer, administrator, and many others. With tens of thousands of new jobs every year and solid, steady job growth in the field, qualified, licensed elementary and middle school teachers have many opportunities available in this continuously in-demand profession. If you are searching for an opportunity to change lives for the better and make a real impact on the next generation of learners, a career in elementary or middle grades education begins at UNCG. UNCG's BS in elementary education and BS in middle grades education are offered by our nationally ranked, award-winning School of Education. Whichever degree you choose, you will benefit from caring faculty mentorship, up to 1,000 hours of hands-on field experience, the latest learning tech, and access to over $1 million a year in School of Education scholarships and funding opportunities. Ready to get started? Learn more about UNCG's BS in elementary education and BS in middle grades education, and start your application now. Visit our website for details. We can't wait to see you at UNCG.